Two of storms impacting central Minnesota. About to get hit by some rain here. You can hear it probably. Covering the lens. You can see it's pretty foggy down in there. We're right on the edge of where it's coming at us. See it impacting across the field. It's actually sunny right down there. That's how localized this is. It's raining on a sunny day, actually. Thunder. It's pretty close. Time to go. Wow. Made it back home in time. Lots of rain now. More thunder. I am soaked. The rain came on incredibly fast. Pick up the bike here. This is definitely going on the season's top 10 of storm intercepts. Interesting cloud formations out and around. It was really interesting how fast the storm actually came on. You see, that cloud right there is dumping all the rain. You can see the line approaching right overhead, and it hit us. Very interesting day.